So today I'm going to talk about GoPro waterproof case, right? Why I'm using this? Because this GoPro Hero 8 I brought in 2019, right? So after few years I see the water is leaking inside of this camera, so there was several problems came on because of that, and this area was scratched, and it also getting water inside of this. So I saw a few mist on this GoPro camera, so I cannot use this one more below water. So I thought about bringing a waterproof case for this GoPro camera, right? So I imported this from AliExpress site, right? So you can buy it from around $3 or $4, right? You can buy this type of GoPro waterproof case, right? So let's see how this one will install on your GoPro camera, right? So I brought a waterproof case from AliExpress. So let's see this one is working or not, right? You have to open from here, right? You can see just can see some sound from there, right? And then you can easily open this side, right? So this one is the sealing area, right? The water sealing area, right? So you can easily open this GoPro waterproof case, right? So this one I brought for the GoPro 8, right? So I have a GoPro Black Hero 8, right? To here, right? Like this. And you can close this lid little bit strongly, right? Then in this black cap you have to be bring to this side, right? And it will attach on here, right? And then you have to be close this lid like that sound, right? Now this one fix to the waterproof case, right? So then let's check this one is working or not, right? Now I press the power on button on here. Yeah, it will turn on, right? You can see on back side it will turn on, right? And let's see, it will turn off, right? I press it. Yeah, it's turn off, right? And then let's see quick capture mode is working or not, right? On here. You see that one also working, right? So I will turn off this. Just from that it work fine like charm, right? So this is the GoPro waterproof case for GoPro Hero 876 models, right? So hit like and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned with us.